young people of the LCMS.
We are leaders.
We are servants.
We are thinkers, dreamers,
passionate, hopeful, and ready to go.
We are baptized children of God.
And our faith in Jesus Christ has feet. Feet to take us across the street,
across the country,
and across the world.
God has made us qualified, redeemed, brave, filled with the Holy Spirit,
ready to serve others
and show mercy.
We can't be satisfied with mediocre,
with couch sitting, sitting back and hoping someone else will do the hard stuff.
It's not easy or comfortable.
or simple.
We want people interested in a new way of being.
A life dedicated to community
and humble service.
It's messy and challenging and totally dependent on God.
A generation called to be faithful, broken people proclaiming the love of God.
A generation guided by grace
Reaching out with mercy.
because of Jesus' ultimate act of mercy.
Jesus sacrificed everything.
his own life that we might live.
The grace we have been given is costly.
Rich forgiveness lavished not because of what we have earned, but because of what Jesus did. Grace changes you.
God's grace is what our church and this world needs.
Join us if you see God's hope in hopeless places.
If you believe in giving,
Not taking.
If you want to share
Help,
Heal,
and love where the world tells you to consume,
compare,
strive,
and prove.
Jesus Christ bids you to come and die.
To be a generation empowered by the gospel.
To run with the light into dark, forgotten places. Do you have faith that the gospel can change the world?
join us, the church.
the weary,
the lost.
The brokenhearted.
We are waiting for you.
Sincerely, Lutheran Young Adult Corps.
young adult servant events,
LCMS Gathering Young Adult Volunteers,
LCMSU,
Ministry to the Armed Forces.